welcome back to my channel. This is glitzzygem. How's everybody doing today? I hope all are well. Thank you for watching. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so give my video a thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And in today's video, the manicure of the day is this. It's an ombre effect of two nail polishes, which are the Wet n Wild Mega Last nail polish in the shade Wet Cement, along with the Pure Ice, the shade Sweet Serenity. Okay, so now that you saw both of these shades, it's ready to go ahead and get started with this video. So first, let me show you my shirt. I have purple roses. Yes, so I put this shirt specifically for this video, for this ColouredRaine mystery box unboxing from ColouredRaine. I think I already said that, right? I said it twice. ColouredRaine. Okay, so let's open this box up. See the way it's packaged. Let's see what's in it. I paid $50 for this bundle, if I did not tell you that already. And you're supposed to have like $175 worth of merchandise in here, so we'll just see what we got. Okay, so let's open this. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, something came out. Okay, well, this popped out. Let's see, what is this? Give me a second. This is called Mirage. It's called Mirage. It is the Lip Gloss Mirage ColouredRaine Fierce. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Ooh, wow, that's bright. I love the packaging though. Look at the packaging. So it's a nice bright neon pink. But the lip gloss though, look at that. Look at this lip gloss. Wow. Ooh, look at the doe foot. It's a longer doe foot applicator. It's a flat, double-ended, flat-sided doe applicator. Well, it's not doe foot. It's just a double-ended, flat, double-ended lip applicator. So let's swatch this on my arm here, my arm hair, my arm hair, my wrist, and this is how it looks like. Wow, look at that shift. Okay, nice. All right, so let's see what else is in here. That just popped out. So, I mean, that just came out of this here. So, just came out of this here. So, what else is coming out? Okay, here's another, looks like a lip product. This is the ColouredRaine Matte Lip shade Paint Sorbet. Ooh, I love pink lip glosses. I mean, paint liquid lipsticks. I have one from one of my glam bag eggs. There was a lip paint by the brand, can't remember the name brand. Ugh, I loved it because that matted down and it felt like I didn't have anything on, and it felt really lightweight. I wonder if this one has like a similar formula to it. But I love this purple. Look at that. That shift right there. I love it. Okay, so let's open this up. I love the neon packaging. What the packaging looks like. Wow. It's also long, flat-ended lip applicator. Let's go ahead and put that under here. Whoa. That it smells good. Can you believe it? I smelled it from here. It smells like watermelon. And it looks like a watermelon color. Almost like a, well, more like a cherry. Like a cherry color. Wow. It's gonna look lovely on my lips right there. Loving it. And it does feel like a sorbet. It does feel like a sorbet. So, loving these lip products. Wow, look how pigmented that looks. Loving it. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and unravel this and see what we've got. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so we're unraveling this. And what are we unraveling? Okay, here's the rest. Ooh, one fell. Something's always falling, isn't it? So here's the bubble wrap. Let me grab the one that fell. Ooh, you get a bullet lipstick. This is the Satin Lipstick by ColouredRaine. Let's see. Y'all see that? It's the Satin Lipstick. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me a little better. I had to adjust my microphone for a little bit because I wasn't able to hear myself playing back just a little part that I just showed you on these two lipsticks. And then the camera wasn't focusing on the name, so I think we're set right now. So this is in the shade Serenade. Ooh, Serenade. I'm a little blind, so I can't see if the camera is actually focusing. So I'm gonna get a little closer. So there it is. Okay, there it goes. All right, Serenade. So let's see what color this. Okay, Serenade. So let's see what color this is. Oh wow, looks like the color of my nail polish, like a brown mauve shade. Wow. Okay. Let me show you how this looks like. Yeah, there it is. This looks like a mauve, like a brown mauve tone. Something that will flatter my skin tone. Love it. Love that. Okay. Now the next product we have here is another. Well, this one is it's another lip product. It says, "May your lipstick game always be fierce." This is a matte lip veil. The other one was matte lip paint. Ooh, paint. And we have the matte lip veil in the shade Uptown. Okay, so looks like from the box, looks like a purple shade. We'll see how this looks like. So I wonder what a lip veil is. Nice, bright neon packaging. I'm loving it so far. Okay, so, ooh, wow, nice, nice, nice. That was very pigmented as well, and it felt really soft. I did put too much on this one though. You can see, this is the shade. Now this one does look like a paint. It's very bright. It's another color. Another purple. The Uptown shade is like a purple, like a blue purple shade. Would probably look real well with this, paired with this lip gloss. It'll look very, very well. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so far I'm loving the products I got. So I can say the theme here is purple. Ooh. All right, so what else is in here? Okay, so the next items I have here are these. We have some eyelash curler. Wow, I need another eyelash curler. I have two actually, but I love this purple one. Really nice. I like the color of this one. I never owned a ColouredRaine purple eyelash curler. And they gave me some purple scissors. Yes, I can add this to my collection, to my grooming collection. Then they gave me some purple tweezers. Look at that. Purple tweezers. Oh, my accent. Yeah, they gave me some purple tweezers. Wow. Okay, nice tools. They're giving me, so they give me lip products and tools and an eyeshadow palette. Okay, not bad for 50 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. And I love the shades. These are up my alley. I like bright shades. So here is eyeshadow palette. Here is called the ColouredRaine Vivid Pigments and Shadows. So there's vivid pigments and shadows in here. So this is the packaging. Wow, it has a big mirror. And here are the shades. We put the protector on it. Sheet protector. Oh, we need the plastic protector. Plastic protector. Look at the purple shades, pink shades. Those lipsticks would go great with this palette. Wow, that is a bold look. Okay, so this is nice. Look at these blues right here. Yes. How rude. My camera just cut me off there. Okay, so like I was saying, it has a row of purples, row of blues. Then we have a row of greens and yellows. And I think that's another blue. Almost like a greenish blue. Teal maybe. And then you see a row of like pinks and oranges in here. So, wow, okay. I gotta get creative and create a look with this. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and create a look and I'll show it to you on camera. Okay, so I went ahead and I created a look with this palette. I'm going to show you the shades that I used. This is the matte lipstick that I used, the Veil matte lipstick in the shade Uptown. And I put the lip gloss on top in the shade Mirage. So this is the lip gloss that I have on right now. It has that hint of like that pinkish tone to it as well, like the color of my eyeshadow in the crease there. It has a little hint of that. And let me show you the colors that I used to create this look. So on the lid, I used the shade Jet Set, which is this shade here. Jet Set. I use that on the lid. And then in the inner corner, I used the yellow one, which is the Lemon Drop. And the bottom lower lash line, I use the shade Perp Smurf. Perp Smurf. Not purple, it's just Perp Smurf. Perp Smurf for my bottom lash line. What else did I use? Okay, so for the crease, I used Bossed Up, which is this fuchsia shade for the crease. And I also used the shade Vibes for the outer corner. Yeah, I use the shade Vibes for the outer corner. And then for the brow bone area, I use the shade Cute, which is this purple color. I used it right above the fuchsia shade Bossed Up. I used Cute just to kind of blend those shades out. And then that's the finishing look. Okay, and that's it, my gems. Thank you for watching. For those who are new to my channel, like I said, please subscribe, the notification bell so give my videos a thumbs up. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you, my gems, and stay subscribed. Mwah.